Hi kids, my name is Dean, and today I will show you how to create some colorful pasta spaghetti to enjoy. But here's the trick. It's going to be colored pasta. So this craft project requires a few ingredients. Let's begin. Some spaghetti pasta noodles, food coloring, a pot of water. For the sake of time, I've already boiled some pasta noodles in my pot of water and added food coloring to each individual container of spaghetti. So in each container, I put a little bit of pasta and then added about 3 drips of food coloring to each bowl. The colors I used were blue, red, and green. After applying the food coloring, I added a little bit of water and stirred the pasta to mix with the food coloring. These, my friends, are ready to enjoy. Let's try mixing them and see what we get. I have a little blue with a little red and maybe some green. You don't have to be so serious. Have fun with it. Enjoy. Bye.